Good evening, dear students. In previous class, we had completed exercise first step. I hope you all done in your notebook. Today, we will start next exercise. Exercise 1G, page number 21. In exercise 1G, word problems is given. Question first. Exercise 1G. From a rope 11-meter long, two pieces of lengths 2 whole 3 by 5 meter and 3 whole 3 by 10 meter are cut off. What is the length of the remaining rope? Let's see how do we solve. Exercise first G. Word problems. Question first. From a rope 11-meter long, two pieces of lengths 2 whole 3 by 5 meter and 3 whole 3 by 10 meter are cut off. What is the length of the remaining rope? It means there is one rope and that rope total length is 11 meter. Okay, total length of the rope is 11 meter. From this rope we will cut two pieces. The length of first cutted pieces is 2 whole 3 by 5 meter and another rope length is 3 whole 3 by 10 meter. We will cut from this length 11 meter. So question is asking to you, what is the remaining rope? Means after cutted these both length, how much length left off from this 11 meter long rope. So let's do how we solve. First we will write total length of rope. We know from questions 11 meter. Length of the two cut off pieces. Two pieces we cut now. That's why first piece length is 2 whole 3 by 5 meter and another piece length is 3 whole 3 by 10. So length of the remaining left rope, total length, and first we will sum both cutted piece. So first length is 2 whole 3 by 5 and another length is 3 whole 3 by 10 and we cut from 11, means total length is 11, that's why. So now you reached in 8th standard, you already solved the missed fractions simplifications. So we will add both length, then subtract from total length. So we will make our simplifications like equations. 11 minus 2 whole, this is a minus 2 whole 3 by 5 plus 3 whole 3 by 10, and like simplify we will solve. First we will solve in this inside of brackets number, then after we will open the bracket. So firstly we will convert missed fraction to simple fraction. Whole number multiply by its denominator, then add with 3. So 13 upon 5. Same here, missed fraction convert to simple fraction, multiply by whole number to denominator and add with numerator. So 33 upon 10. Then because of both denominators are not same, so we will take the LCM of 5 and 10, which is 10. Then LCM divide by first number's denominator. So 10 divided by 5, 2, and 13 multiplied by 2. So 26 will come. Then 10 already denominator same. So 10 divided by 10 is 1 and 1 multiplied by 33. So 33. Then 26 plus 33, 59 upon 10. So our inside of the brackets two numbers value, what is 59 upon 10. It means total cutted length of total length is 59 upon 10 and we cut from 11 meter. So we will subtract from 11. So because 11 is a whole number, so we make up like fractions upon 1. Then again we will take the LCM of 10 and 1, which is 10, and 1 divided by 10. So 10 and 10 multiplied by its numerator, which is 11. 10 multiplied by 11, 110 minus 10 divided by 10 1 and 1 multiplied by 59 59. 110 subtract with 59, so 51. And because of when numerator is greater than its denominator, so we will convert in the mixed fraction, okay, by divide. You already studied in the previous classes, means in even fifth standard mixed fraction, how to convert fraction to mixed fraction, you know already. So finally your answer is 5 whole 1 by 10. So the length of remaining rope is 5 whole 1 by 10 meter. Your next question, question number 4. On one day, a rickshaw puller earned rupees 160. Out of his earning, he spent rupees 26 whole 3 by 5 on tea and snacks, rupees 50 whole 1 by 2 on food, and rupees 16 whole 2 by 5 on repairs of the rickshaw. How much did he save on that day? It means one rickshaw puller and he earned in one day total money is 160 rupees, and from this money he spent some snacks and tea, and then he repaired the rickshaw and food. So question is asking to you, after these all spent items, then how much money he left that day. Let's see how we solve. Firstly you will write which value you have. We have total money, how much money that rickshaw puller earned, that is 160 rupees, and earning spent on tea and snacks, together it is given, that is 26 whole 3 by 5. Earning spent on food and repairs rickshaw, 50 whole 1 by 2, and repairs for 16 whole 2 by 5. Same like previous questions, he spends that monies. So first we will add how much he spent for tea, snacks, rickshaw repairing, food. So first we will add, then sum of these all add, we subtract from total money. So first you convert mixed fraction to simple fractions, okay. All these numbers convert to mixed fraction to simple fractions. Then take the LCM 5, 2 and 5, which is 10, and LCM divide by its denominator, then multiply by its numerator. Same here, divide by denominator, multiply by its numerator, then open bracket, and so our final value is 935 upon 10. Then we subtract, because there is no any denominator, so we make upon 1. Then again we take the LCM 10 and 1, which is 10. Then again 10 divide by its denominator, which is 1, so it's 10, and 10 multiplied by 160, so 1600. 10 divided by 10 1, and 1 multiplied by 935, so 935. 1600 subtract with 935, so 665 upon 10. Same again here you can see our numerator is greater than, so we will convert in the mixed fraction. And after that again you see 5 upon 10 also divisible by 5 1 5, 5 2 10. So final our answer is 66 rupees 1 by 2. So the amount of money saved by the rickshaw puller is rupees 66 upon 1 by 2. I hope you understand, students.